Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to clean my room for the summertime. I wanted to do this because A, my room was messy and it needed to be cleaned. So B, I needed to find a tripod, and I ended up finding the tripod. So without further ado, let's get on started.
Yeah, baby!
Okay, so this is what my room looks before. Coming in, you have my bags. I'm not getting rid of those. And then you have my jewelry holder. I need to organize that to make it a little more detangly. And then, is detangly even a word? I don't know. And then you have my first dresser, which is just plastic. I feel like kind of like decorating it a little bit. We'll see. Because I just don't like the white and clear. I think it's kind of basic and plain. And then I have my trash over there. And then I have this area that I need to reorganize, because as you can see, some of the books have fallen and I don't like that. And then right here, I need to reorganize. I need to somehow take that contact paper off without ripping the purple stuff, but I think it's going to be impossible. I also need to reorganize this little area and organize my drawers, because my drawers are a bit tad messy. Organize that part, organize this part, because I have my Mac, where my Mac came in the box still, and I have just a bunch of clothes laying there, and I need to get rid of that box. And finally this area, I need to do my bed. And I need to put that new bed cover and do my laundry. And I'm gonna be indecisive as hell. I don't know if I want to flip my dresser and my bed, move my dresser to this side of the wall and move my bed to this side, or just keep it. I think I might keep it. And then I may or may not put contact paper. So yeah. Let's get on cleaning. Okay, so before we get on cleaning, I feel like the very first step is to do your bed, because once you do your bed, it is like, I feel like better, and I like to do my bed every single day since I feel a little bit better about myself. So let's go do that. And this is what the after looks like. So obviously I changed my comforter and everything. I changed my pillowcases because my old pillowcases are in the wash. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a mini update. You do see like a tiny hole in there, but that's okay. No one's gonna really care. I just sleep in this room, so let's go organize that section. me a sec. Okay, there we go. So I just added some contact paper. I actually really dig it. It looks kind of stiff. And then right over here are my school supplies, since I am taking summer classes, so I can get a little bit advanced in my degree. And right here is a little bit rough, but you won't really know unless you pay attention, so I'm thinking I'm gonna cover her up with her. That's my bestie. Here are my glasses when I need them. And there's like a few air bubbles, but what I ended up doing, if there are air bubbles, just very gently take a card. I like using my metric card, and there we go. And just push it out. I'm gonna be right back and fix that. Hi guys, it is the next day. My floors are really squeaky, so ignore that. But we're gonna get on started to the next stage. I'm gonna flip you guys over, but my main goal for today is to fix that area and that area, because as you can see, it's kind of a mess, and then fix my desk because it's also kind of a mess, and just put whatever desk stuff I have right over there next to my fan. So yeah, you also might be wondering why I have my fan over there. It's because I don't like to have it on my desk, just because it kind of takes up a lot of space. So I like to have my desk to be free. So let's go do that. here's my room coming in. You see my treasure chest that I got for free in my graduation party, 2018. I don't know why I'm saying the graduation year. And then here's this number 1, and I put my rug over it. My rug used to be over my treasure chest, but I didn't like it. And then all my stuff over here, it looks a little cluttered, but I'm gonna live in it, so it doesn't matter. And then I put my desk over there. I liked it way better, and I was like, why not move it over there? There's my yoga mat, there's my trash can, and there's my second dresser. And then here's my bed. I changed it. I am gonna change the pink stuff underneath, but for now it's gonna be pink. So yeah, I need to decorate the walls, but I'm gonna do that off camera, and you'll see in a later video what I do with the walls. And then here's my dresser that I put contact paper, and then this is the area. So yeah, that's it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. I'll see you guys next week. Good damn bye.